Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Thursday, the 14th of November. My disclaimer: I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay, Bitcoin obviously had a very good week. No current negative divergence worth the mention. Tiny bit, but really nothing that's particularly signal worthy. Nothing on the hourly chart at the moment. And in the short term, I think we're probably forming a bull flag. We could form a larger topping pattern. I've still got a support trend line here that might need a hit in the 85,000 area. And actually, that could fit with forming a bull flag here. So be warned, we might see a bit more downside first. And actually, I said very much the same thing about equities this morning. On Solana, nice week on Solana too, not as strong. Bitcoin is the leader at the moment. Retest this high, we could set up some negative divergence on the daily, but I'm not really expecting to see a big reversal on the daily. On the hourly chart, the 60-minute sell signal reached the possible near miss target, so disregarding that for now. And we have a decent looking support trend line here, which I'm thinking might hold. So while we could form a lower low here as part of a bull flag, I'd be disappointed if it did. I mean, we could get an even better trend line and set up from it, but we've got a nice looking channel here, and it'd be quite nice to see that hold. If it does hold, then we could head up into the resistance directly in about the 235 area. I'm planning to post for this weekend, by the way, looking at how far these thrusts go and where I'm thinking this might end up at the end of this bull market. And well, in a range, so only a finger in the air, really, but we will see. Okay, looking at Ethereum. Ethereum, nice move up, got well over the 200 DMA. So my concerns about whether this was actually not going to go up seriously at all have been allayed. We've got the obvious target at the resistance trend line at about the 3720 area, and on a break over that, would this be a flag breaking up? Arguably, possibly. But I think it would be nonetheless with a target at a retest of the all-time high at 4092.73. Looking at the hourly chart, RSI 14 sell signals reached the possible near miss target. And on the 15-minute chart, this again looks like flag forming. It could have broken up already, or we could do another lower low within it, which would be perfectly acceptable for a flag in this situation. If we do go lower, I'm wondering about possibly getting down into the 3025, 3050 area, and then likely returning up to retest this high here at 3446.83, and then probably higher. I'm leaning towards bullish on both crypto and equities until Christmas, so we'll see how it goes. All right, great. No questions, so I think that's a wrap. I will have everything posted as possible. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.